Yo, we're there. So today, as you can see, a beach day. Today we are tourists. Today we are tourists and thing. I like to record the water still, but we're gonna do the enjoyment first and then record some video cars. Yeah, so right now we have some food. So we eat some Jamaican jerk chicken. Yeah, so we eat some jerk chicken and thing. So we do that right now, man. Mash up this man Monique. It's Monique right there, so doing business as usual. We have Justin around the background and so forward, alright? So we're leaving Wise Falls now. The ladies still have time for go, man. So we're leaving the falls and thing. It's a great adventure, you know. Nice place away from home. As you guys can see, these are the adventures that we'll be taking you along the vlogs. So next week we'll be going to somewhere else, and yeah, so we'll be going probably over the weekend. We're going to a party. Don't think I'm going to that, but we'll be going a lot of places. So we're going to be grabbing the chapter and stepping into the going back out in the fields. So it was a great adventure today. And thing. The chapter look full, so we're gonna have to wait on the next one. So after this, we're gonna grab some food. So come back. back the car, you know. So I got to the car and thing. Nice vacation day. You know, that put in a lot of work trading, you have to have these days off. So that's basically what we're doing right now. But it's relaxing. I have a bigger pajama again with the shirts. Vacation day for us, you know. Put in the work. So, you know, we have to enjoy a couple of days out of the hard work, you know. So we'll be doing this at least once a week, enjoying ourselves and going out, you know, all over the world. So we'll come back. Catch you guys on the road, alright? Alright, so we're there. I eat some food and thing. So right now, yes guys, so right now we reach home, chilling on the ends and stuff like that. So yeah, as you guys can see, it was a very lit day today. We definitely turned up. It was our first Forex vacation, though it took us a year. See how you have to put in the work, you have to put in the grind so you can reap these type of rewards. So we'll be doing this on a regular basis, probably like once a week we'll go somewhere. But the vlogs will be coming almost every day or maybe every other day, you understand? So right now, shout out to everybody that's watching this video. Yeah, thank you for coming this far, because to be honest, I'm grateful for everything. Remember to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. And remember, follow us on Instagram, on Facebook. Yeah, all links will be in the description for everything. And hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas, right? And I'll see you guys out.